I'm going to show you how you can remove a background in Canva. So as you can see here, I'm already using a picture of Noam Chomsky, the father of linguistics, and we want to remove the background from this picture, obviously the white background. And in order to do that in Canva, you need to have Canva. And one other thing, Canva Premium, because you won't be able to use the background remover here on Canva without Canva Premium. But don't worry, I have another thing for you. But yeah, if you want to remove the background, you can just search up background remover by clicking this edit image and searching for the effects, and you'll see the background removed by AI easily in just a few seconds. But if you don't, you're broke, you can head over to remove.bg, which is an alternate and free way to remove your background. Search for the picture that you're looking for, and as you can see, even the hardest of backgrounds can be removed through AI. And if you want to send this to Canva, you can just create design, but we can just download the tool and upload it to Canva. As you can see, it's here. That's how you can remove the background using Canva. I'll hope you like, comment, subscribe with it. This Generation Ravel. See you in the next one. Bye.